Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering tools and setting the base, a medium claw clip, a hair tie, and a texturizer if you want grip. Divide your hair into top and bottom halves and hold the top section up with one hand. Once done, twist the lower half gently toward the nape to reduce bulk. This creates a clean foundation. Make sure to smooth flyaways with fingers. Now keep tension with your palm while you prepare to twist the top section into the clip. Now you take the top section and twist it away from your face until it coils into a compact roll. This controls volume and prevents sagging. Hold the coil at the roots and position the claw clip so the teeth straddle the twist with the hinge pointing up or slightly back. Once positioned, press the clip closed firmly so teeth engage scalp and hair. If the clip feels loose, rotate it 90 degrees and re-anchor by tucking the tail end of the twist under the clip. You finish by checking balance and comfort. Give a gentle upward tug at the crown for lift or smooth sides for a sleeker look. If hair feels slippery, mist texturizer or insert 1 or 2 bobby pins where the clip meets the twist to lock it in place. This prevents slide without bulk. When things go wrong, redo the twist tighter and reposition the clip. Small adjustments fix most issues. Make sure the clip sits close to the scalp so it holds all layers securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.